Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve a soft matte makeup look. In other words, they kind of call it cloud skin makeup. This look is perfect for those who want a natural looking finish, but also it's a very long lasting makeup look. Before we get on to the video, please press the subscribe button down below, and also please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It really helps out this channel. So let's just get on to this soft matte makeup look. I'm going to apply primer to help my makeup last all day and also prevent the oiliness coming through my skin. So I'm going to take the Milk Pore Eclipse mattifying primer. I'm going to take a matte foundation that obviously matches my skin tone. I'm taking the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation in the shade Macao, and I'm just going to buff this into the skin. More so combination oily skin. So I know, like, if you have dry skin, I think that you can still do this look if you have dry skin. I just think that maybe instead of a mattifying primer, you can use more of a hydrating primer with a matte foundation, or you can go in with a more natural foundation and obviously set it with a powder. I do think this is possible for people who do have dry skin as well, and obviously oily combo skin, we know that our oils are gonna love this. I'm going with two concealers today. I'm taking the Milk Future Fluid Concealer and the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm just going to apply that to highlight areas of my face. I take this brush and just buff it all out. Now I'm going to go in with some setting powder just to set the areas where I applied the concealer. I'm going to do the set bake routine. So first I'm going to take this skin tone powder from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes, just like so. So it is, you just take it and you apply it lightly. And I try to look up when I'm setting my under eye. Take my favorite, the One Size translucent powder. I love this stuff. It is so amazing. Powder puff, and I'm gonna bake. For this look, I'm going to use only matte bronzer and blush. That's because I do not want any type of glow that comes from cream bronzer and cream blush, because they do give off like this natural type of glowy look, and we are going for the soft matte cloud skin type of makeup look. So I'm going to go in with the Alamar Cosmetics matte bronzer kit. I'm going to take cinnamon sugar and oil morena and just mix the two, and we're going to use that to bronze up and add warmth to the skin. Now that we're like all bronze, you can see it right here, I'm going to now take that matte Juvias Place blush. I've been in love with just bright pinks lately, like just, what are these called, like princess pink or like hot pink. So I've just been in love with this blush. So I'm just going to take the two of these and just mix them together just to create a nice flush of color on the skin. And that's basically gonna be it for the base. Now to set everything, I'm just gonna take some of this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray it just to prevent it from looking really powdery. I'm actually gonna spray it before I blend out this powder as well, just to make sure everything blends in. I'll take this big fluffy brush and just blend out that excess powder that I used to bake my under eye area. I'm gonna go over that with the skin tone Charlotte Tilbury powder that I used earlier, and just to set the rest of my face. definitely use any type of highlight or anything like that because this is again a full soft matte look. So I'm gonna do my eyes off camera and I'll be back so we can do the lips and show you guys the final look. I'm back with my eyes done. I just did a very simple eye look. I wasn't looking to do anything too dramatic, but my skin just looks very natural and very matte looking. You can still see a little bit of glow, but I think that's honestly just like natural glow because my skin is, I use a lot of serums on my skin, so I think maybe we're gonna go in with lips. This is my favorite part. I'm gonna take this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk 3 Intense lip liner. It has become like one of my favorite lip liners because it's so good. I'm going to line my lips. Take the Morphe Sweetest Tea lipstick and I'm just going to apply that. I'm not going to go on top of it with any gloss or anything. I'm just going to keep it completely matte because this whole look is a matte look. But that is it for this video. I really love the way the makeup turned out. It looks so simple, and honestly I wouldn't mind doing soft matte looks sometimes. Like not everything has to be super glowy and dewy. I know that's like the time we're in, but I think soft matte looks are still, you know, very pretty and can be very natural look. So that is it for this soft matte cloud skin makeup tutorial look. I really enjoyed doing this look. I still would honestly rock this look still in 2023, and I heard it's like trending again, so I really like this look, and honestly it was so fun and just so like nice to put it together. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please press the subscribe button down below, and also please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It really helps this channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.